Welcome to our Electrical Engineering YouTube channel. In this video, we will see an example on equivalent resistance. To download our Electrical Engineering app, you can visit this website link electrical-engineering.app. This website is especially designed for electrical and electronics engineering students. Question: find equivalent resistance between terminals A and B. Now here for this circuit we have to determine its equivalent resistance. Solution: first of all we will take this circuit. Now here we can clearly see this 6 ohm and this 6 ohm, they are connected in parallel. So let's solve this. 6 ohm parallel with 6 ohm. It will be 6 into 6 divided by 6 plus 6. If we solve this we get 3 ohm. Now we can replace these two resistors by a single resistor with 3 ohm value. So let's replace it. It will be 3 ohm. Now here we can clearly see this 3 ohm is in parallel with this 3 ohm. So let's simplify this. 3 ohm parallel with 3 ohm. So it will be 3 into 3 divided by 3 plus 3. It will be 1.5 ohm. So again we can copy this circuit from here and we can replace these two resistors by a single resistance value of 1.5 ohm. So let's replace it. It will be 1.5 ohm. Now here we can see this 1.5 ohm and 2.5 ohm are connected in series. So it will be 1.5 ohm plus 2.5 ohm. So it will be 4. So 2.5 is 3 and this will be 4 ohm. So therefore we can say RAB is equal to 4 ohm, and this is how we can solve these types of problem. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.